After reading the article, The Truth of Fact, The Truth of Feeling by Ted Chiang, and then watching his speech, Mobile Technologies and the New Narratives of the Self, it is hard to say what my initial interpretation of memory was. On the first day of class, prior to watching my secondary source, I reflected that memory is very complex and evolves over time. This statement is very general, but it still holds true after watching Ted's speech, which goes into greater detail about the use of the life log and how this could change how we process memories. One of my favorite quotes by Maya Angelou says that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Both the article and the video reinforce this idea that our memories are driven by the emotional attachment to an event. In the article, Ted recalls one of his favorite moments as a boy with his grandmother. He applies the life log to it, questioning that if he had footage of the event, would it still be as special as he remembers or just an ordinary time at her house? If we create life logs, how will we be able to distinguish emotional weight to any events? In his speech, he talks about the implications of being able to look back and see that you and your spouse were happier 10 years ago in your marriage than you are now. What would this mean? How would this affect relationships? It's hard to answer any of these questions due to the lack of research on memories and the fundamental idea that memories are flawed. Both the article and the video make me question my own memories and what this says about me.